Okay, the calculations look really good except for one little spot here. So when you're writing this balanced chemical equation, this should be AlCl3 here. And when you do that, that forces you to have, let's see, 2HCl there, I think. I don't know, I think that should be more. I think we need to go to 6. So I think I need a 3 there. That gives 6 hydrogens. So I need 6 hydrogens over there. That gives 6 chlorines. So I need to put a 2 there to give me 6 chlorines, but that gives 2 aluminums. So I need 2 aluminums there. Okay, once that equation is balanced, then to determine the number of moles of hydrogen, I have to take the moles of aluminum that I have here from up there, which are correct, and I have to multiply it by this 3 and divide it by this 2, because that's the mole ratio that they react in. So when you do that, you're going to come up with a number like 0.0015 something or other, and that's the number that you'll then take and put right down there. And then when you divide that, you'll see you'll get a slightly different number. And it should be closer to the 22.4 that we're looking for.